Suppose commonly you can use this word very frequently, the word power. Somebody is having more power. He is having more power. She is having more power. Power in the sense here, particularly in physics, where we can define in different. Suppose if you are doing a work and you have taken 10 minutes to do that work. Same work is done by another person and he taken 8 minutes to do the same work. Now here what we are comparing, the powers of the two persons. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ 10 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನ, ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ 8 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನ. So here work is same, but the rate of doing work is different. But time ಏನದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. The person who has done the work in 8 minutes is having more power than the person who has done the work in 10 minutes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಕೆಲಸ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ 8 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಈಗ ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ದು ಪವರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ 8 minutes. I hope you are getting the concept of power now. So the rate of doing work, actually very simple definition ade anta dodudilla. The rate of doing work is called power anta define madabodu. I'll repeat once more. The rate of doing work, andre how quick you are doing the work, that indicates your power. For example, if I assign a class work or if I assign some numerical problems to do, suppose somebody may do the same problem in 1 minute, somebody may take 2 minutes, somebody may take 3 minutes, somebody can't. So that means the knowledge power is different. But commonly any physical work, if you do very much fast, then you can say that you have possessed more power, you have the more power. Therefore, in simpler way, the power can be defined as the rate of doing work. The rate of doing work is called as power. For example, if I assign a work to carry a 50 kg of load from one place to another place, and the load is adana one place inda innond place ge ಒಯ್ದಿಡಬೇಕು 50 kg, and I will give this work to persons and having the same age, same energy, but one person can do the same work in 10 minutes and another person may take 15 minutes to do the same work. So here what we are understanding, one person is doing the work in quick time and another person taking little more time. Therefore, the person who takes the less time, he possesses the more power, and person who takes the time more to do the same work is having less power. So this is the concept of what we can call power. Now, how do you represent this mathematically? Power is equal to work divided by time. Mathematically, this power is represented as power is equal to work divided by time. Now, symbolically, you can write it as P is equal to W by T. P is equal to W by T. So therefore, the rate of doing work and rate of change of work and Simply you can define rate of doing work. Okay. Now in differential form, this equation can be written as, in differential form you can write it as, see I'll write here, dw power p is equal to dw divided by dt, both are same, dw divided by dt. That means what? Rate of doing work, it is the differential equation form. The rate at which we are doing the work is called as power. Therefore, P is equal to dw by dt. Here, dw indicates that rate of work. Therefore, you can write this as P is equal to dw means F work. We have learnt already the formula for work. Work is equal to force into displacement. So therefore, work can be written as, you can observe, work can be written as F and dx by dt. See, force into displacement, this is in differential form, and divided by, you can write it as dt. Or else you can also write this as power P is equal to, this can be written as, if you write this as rate of change of displacement, rate of change of displacement can be written as velocity. Rate of change of displacement can be written as velocity. So that is nothing but what? F P is equal to F into V. So here simply P is equal to dw by dt, or somebody can write it as dr by dt. In some textbook it has written as dr divided by dt. So this indicates that velocity. Velocity. Now if time is per unit time and dt value becomes 1. So therefore P is equal to Fv. Further you can write this as, you can observe here now, P is equal to F into velocity, force into velocity. You can write in this way also. But simply remember this formula, this is very important. P is equal to dw by dt, or P is equal to dw ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀತಾರೆ. Rate of doing work per unit time ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ time is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore this can also written as force into dr by dt, both are same, dr by dt ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. This can be written as F is equal to dr by dt means again velocity. Power P is equal to, we can write Fv. See, you can observe the equation Fv. So this is again a dot product. Here power is nothing but what? Dot product. This can also be written as dot product can be Fp is equal to Fv cos theta ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Because in scalar product already we studied P is equal to Fv. There we have studied, suppose there are two vectors A dot B ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? AB cos theta. We can write it as AB cos theta because it is a scalar product, or it is also called as dot product. Therefore here P is equal to F dot V can be written as Fv cos theta. But here for exam point of view, remember what is the power, then what is its SI unit, and its dimensional formula. Already dimensional formula I have discussed all quantities in the second topic itself. Now from the formula you can observe power is equal to work divided by time, and the simple formula is work divided by time. ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. P is equal to work ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? Work can be written as force into displacement S ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, divided by T. This can be written as P is equal to F as it is. S by T means or X by T. Again it is a distance by time means velocity. ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವೇ ನಲ್ಲಿ. P is equal to F ಈ ರೀತಿನೂ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So it is again product of force and velocity, but main formula rate of doing work W by P. Now what is the SI unit? What will be the SI unit of this power? Therefore, you know that power is measured in joule. The SI unit of the power is joule. Sorry, the SI unit of the work is joule, and time is second. Therefore, it can be written as joule per second. SI unit becomes joule per second. But this joule per second is totally replaced as the name of the scientist, watt. Notice. The SI unit of the power is watt. You remember, all of you, because in the examination you may get it. Watt is the SI unit of power. So therefore, I hope you understood the concept of power. Now, one minute.